Cheers and welcome to Bitter Reality Brewing. Yes, this is that whole Black Friday sale event, but this one is going to be specifically to MoreBeer. That's right, MoreBeer. And MoreBeer has been very quiet about what they're going to put on sale, but they've already kind of sent out some suggestions, hints, and mentions that are things to expect on these sales. I'm hoping for a big Black Friday sale that I haven't seen coming. I'm crossing my fingers. It is what it is. But I'm here to give you the information on what's currently going on, okay? And yes, I'm gonna leave a link down below. One will be a general link to MoreBeer. Maybe I'll give you a couple specialty links if I feel it's necessary. Please, please support the channel. Just click on that. Go check out the MoreBeer deals. If you buy something, great. If you don't, that's fine. But that way, if you do, it doesn't cost you anything extra, and it does give us a little extra chump change to cover some expenses, which I appreciate. Yeah, and I do mean cover some. So I spend way more than I have on income aside. So yeah, we'll go for that. Needless to say, okay, so here's what's going on with MoreBeer. MoreBeer currently has, ready? Almost all the Grainfather products on sale. They have what I call a spotty closeout sale where they've got different things on sale that may or may not be something you are interested in, but hopefully they've nailed something you are. They have the cool Kegland temperature controller. That's pretty cool. They have an Inkbird on sale. They have a lot of things that I definitely know are what I call staple products that a lot of people are looking to buy or have purchased in the past. Here's what it appears that they're going to be doing. And that's why I'm saying, please click on my link below. Definitely support the channel. Costs you nothing extra. But I have a little cheat sheet here. I have a cheat sheet in front of me too. Today, they have started the sale. That's right. And it appears that it may stack until, yeah, I don't know when that, but today's sale says it's going until December 2nd. And that's pop cultures. Pop cultures are fermentation kits. I'm gonna mention the fermentation kits because there are a ton. And then we'll jump into all the other cool sales that I'm expecting each day to start, okay? Pop cultures are just that. They are fermentation kits, 25% off. That's significant. Kombucha, mead, cider, hot sauce. Yes, fermented hot sauce. Food fermentation, sourdough, pickle, kimchi, fermented mustard. That's interesting. I didn't think about that. Fermented veggies, sauerkraut, kefir, water kefir, cheese, and yogurt. Yeah, now I gotta take a breath. A ton of things on sale just under pop cultures. Okay, each day they're gonna do another sale. I don't know if it's gonna be 20, 25, 30, what it's gonna be percentage-wise off, but here are the other items that they have mentioned that they are looking to do on other days in one of their little emails that I sent out and had to search to find it. Wine and ciders. And if you don't know, MoreBeer also has morewine.com. Just be aware. They have some other more items or more web pages. Flash brewing kits. Okay, flash brewing kits. Some of you hate them, some of you love them. I know you've probably seen it on Steve's Apartment Brewer or Steve from Apartment Brewer. This is the Citra Pale Ale he did. Yes, they sent that to me from MoreBeer. And then I have the IPA Ugly Fish. I bought that one. And I will be doing videos on these. These are flash brewing kits, which means you don't actually have to brew. We can go into that. You could do a little bit if you want, but they are specialty dry malts that you can throw into some cold water, throw in the hop extract, throw in the hops, throw everything in, let it ferment, bottle it or keg it, and call it a day. So as Vito said, you can be brewing in under 10 minutes and have it off to the fermentation races. So these, I think, would be great gift items with maybe for Monster to people who have never brewed and don't own any home brewing equipment, but want to jump into the 5-gallon and work their way up. These, I just see the flash brewing kits doing really well this season, and I see them growing and doing better and better over time. MoreBeer worked really hard at getting these out and has spent a lot of time, from my understanding and talking with Steve over at Apartment Brewer. They're not just dry malt, it's custom dry malt just for what they're trying to achieve. So definitely take a look at those, especially if they're on sale. Might be worth your chance to, you know, try one out. Just saying. Recipe kits. Come on, MoreBeer has probably the largest selection of recipe kits we know out there, both in extract and all grain. Lallemand yeast, and Lallemand yeast has been growing considerably. So I'm expecting a day of nothing but Lallemand yeasts on sale and a massive sale on Lallemand yeast, and me and you will compete for some of those yeasts. Just Pop Cultures is already on sale, as I mentioned. It goes till December 2nd. Duo tight fitting, sign me up. I need some. I am down to where I don't have any spares. And anytime I get one, it's kind of, and I part it out, yeah, I wear these things out, so I need to buy a few more. I like them, I use them. They've become my standard on my kegerator for both air and liquid, and on liquid on my keezer. So I need more of those. I am crossing my fingers, and I will let you know as soon as I know if they will put more beer brewing equipment and more fermentation equipment on sale. I have not seen that. I have not heard about that, with the exception of they have almost all the Grainfather products on sale. It's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a particular item for the channel, not so much for me, but for the channel to share with you. The other thing I'm looking for is more Kegland products to go on sale. Kegland products have really grown in popularity massively over the past 5+ years. And there's some items in there that I don't have to have, but I wouldn't mind buying a few more. You're looking at the I don't need any more of those right now, but just saying, that video has done really, really well too. You all seem to love those things, which is awesome. I like them. I used them heavily and still using them heavily. I've got one, as you see, missing because I have 4. But that's it, and that is for MoreBeer. And I appreciate your time, and hopefully I've saved you a few bucks this season, whether it's, you know, I'm just not spending the money, or hey, I needed this anyways, or I was looking to buy this next year, I'll buy it now, save a buck. Be careful, because 2 years ago I went to buy something that had a huge sale on it and has not gone on sale since, and it's killing me, absolutely killing me, walking around here kicking myself in the butt, you know what I'm saying? Cheers, happy holidays, have a great Thanksgiving weekend pretty much. Cheers.